In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw your credit balance from your Temu account with ease. This process is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. So let's dive right in. First, before any transactions can occur, we need to start by checking your Temu account settings. It's crucial to ensure everything is set up correctly, enabling you to manage your funds efficiently. Simply log into your Temu account and navigate to the account settings. This area is the central hub for managing your financial preferences. Take a moment to review all the options available, especially those related to payment and withdrawal settings. This review ensures that there are no surprises later and that you're set up to move money to your preferred destination seamlessly. Once you're in your settings and everything looks in order, the next step is to link your preferred payment method. This could be a PayPal account, a bank account, or another accepted method that suits your needs. Establishing this link is essential, as it's the channel through which your credit balance will be transferred. In your account settings, locate the section related to payment methods. Follow the instructions provided to add a new method. You'll typically need to provide some details, such as your account number or PayPal email, to establish a secure connection. This process is usually straightforward, but if you encounter any issues, double-check that all entered information is accurate and corresponds with your payment provider's requirements. With your payment method linked, it's time to proceed with the withdrawal of your credit balance. Head over to the section of your Temu account that pertains to fund management or balance details. Here, you should see an option for withdrawing funds. Click on this option and then follow the prompts provided on the screen. These prompts will guide you through selecting the amount you wish to withdraw and confirming the transaction. Make sure you review all details carefully before finalizing, as this helps prevent any errors or miscommunication with the transfer. As you complete the withdrawal process, keep in mind that there might be some processing time before the funds appear in your chosen payment method. This is normal and usually depends on the method selected, with bank transfers often taking a bit longer than digital wallets like PayPal. Therefore, patience is key. If any unexpected issues arise, or if there's a prolonged delay, don't hesitate to contact Temu's support team for assistance. They should be able to provide updates and help resolve any concerns. By following these simple steps, you should find managing and withdrawing your credit balance from Temu to be a straightforward process. It's all about ensuring your settings are correct, linking your payment method, and kicking off the transfer. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has been helpful.